I'm back with my giant fin fun box. So I didn't even see this come out. I just found it on my floor as I was getting ready to do this video. And it's just a welcome to Elite. Oh good. It gives you some caring for your tail and monofin. Yeah, about the same as everything else. Nothing crazy. Just in case you guys want to see it. Okay. Slide that over. Okay. What one do you think is next? I'm so excited. Ooh, okay. This is my second choice. It's so funny. They're going to go in order. Oh, this was in on the tail. That's why I didn't see it. I was so excited about the tail. And our same, oh, of course you can't see anything because I keep sitting too close to the camera. We got our same fins, just as thick as the others, but I like that too. I like the coloring. I like this. I mean, they're the same scales, but I like the coloring of these scales too. Obviously, we're not going to go in as much detail here. I mean, we can still talk about it, just in case someone's only watching this video and didn't watch the other one. So we'll just do a quick reiteration. We have the nice thick waistband, nice thick fabric. Our fins are nice and thick. Feels like there's extra fabric in there. I'll bring these scales up again. I'm just going to kick this box forward so I can see and trip over it. This is our scales. Aren't they gorgeous? I want to get a nice view of that for you guys because I, again, I could not find a video that had like a nice view of these scales. And here is our giant fluke. Bring that up there for you guys to see that. I just love how like the coloring blends so well. I pointed this out on the last one. This is like so pretty and detailed in here. If I get it closer. It's very pretty, guys. While I'm standing, let me get whatever kind of view I can give you. Let's start with the top. Sorry, I'm backing into my door. That's our giant fluke. It is gorgeous. And then we'll talk about our zipper. I know we talked about this last time, but real quick again for anyone who didn't watch. Huge zipper. And inside we have our vinyl and our Velcro. Guys, I'm very impressed with these. And what I am really impressed with? The fact that I got them for $280. I got 3 of them for almost the price of 1. So pretty. So pretty. And I was going to buy them all separately, each their own individual shipping. I'm telling you, when I added up the shipping in each tail, yes, it was a little more than what I would have paid for 1, but like, I feel like I got 3 for the price of 1. Maybe 3 for the price of 1.5. But I am still super excited. These are gorgeous. Okay. Ready for number 3.